Having trouble connecting a device to your Xfinity Wi-Fi? The issue often stems from band incompatibility between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, DHCP problems, or MAC filtering. The 2.4 GHz band offers wider range but slower speeds and more interference, while 5 GHz provides faster speeds but shorter range. Some devices, especially older IoT gadgets, only support 2.4 GHz. DHCP assigns IP addresses to devices on the network. Too many devices can lead to DHCP lease exhaustion. MAC filtering allows or blocks devices based on their unique MAC address. To start, identify if the device supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz. Then check your router's settings via the Xfinity app or website to ensure MAC filtering isn't blocking the device and that DHCP is properly assigning IP addresses. Remember, Xfinity's newer gateways use Smart Connect to auto-switch devices, but mismatches can still occur. Start by manually splitting the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands in your Xfinity gateway settings. This prevents interference and ensures devices connect to their supported band. For DHCP issues, reserve IP addresses for static devices like printers in the router admin panel to avoid conflicts. Ensure your Xfinity gateway firmware is up to date. Updates address DHCP and band management issues. New Wi-Fi 7 gateways improve dual-band handling. Check MAC filtering in router settings to ensure device MAC addresses are allowed. Use the Xfinity app's AI diagnostics for automatic troubleshooting of conflicts. If issues persist, contact Xfinity support, especially during peak times.